The terrific timeline of Steve Harvey has had a rack to face and stumbling to stardom through the journey of his life. Born on January 17, 1957, Harvey grew up in Cleveland along with his parents and elder siblings to become the American sensation and laughter buzz with his gigs, acting, author roles, and television radio personality. Harvey fanned the fame to himself for his outstanding observational humor and self-help advice, especially about relationships, entertainment, and media house, plus the gorgeous real estate investments and car collections. Over the years, Steve Harvey reached fame and fortune with his multifaceted means of income and a skyscraping fan base. He has embarked with the glory of his multi-dimensional persona, which he brings to the table for the entertainment and media industry. Let's take a look at how Steve Harvey earns and spends his multi-million-dollar fortune. Stand-up comedy. Broderick Stephen Harvey was no stranger to hardships during his early career in the late 1980s, as he slept in his 1976 Ford when the gigs he performed did not provide a hotel. His moolah-filled comedy tour with the Kings of Comedy, Cedric the Entertainer, D.L. Hewley, and Bernie Mac was the start of his immersing career in this industry. Grossing $37 million in 1997, his hosting at its showtime at the Apollo, which went on for 7 years, gained high hits from the audience. Multi-million-dollar Atlanta home. Harvey bought a palatial 17-acre mansion in Atlanta for his desire to own luxurious real estate properties. Spread on a 17-acre land that offers expansive and vivid views of the Chattahoochee River, the Atlanta home is claimed to be the biggest property in Buckhead, Atlanta. A gathering of 100 people is the amount of ample and lush space the house has, as revealed in The Richest. The Tyler Perry mansion costs up to $15 million, as enlisted in the Atlanta fine home Sotheby's, which later Harvey bought for his yen. Harvey, as a host, is the deal-breaker of all times for fame and fan base. On August 2, 2012, Harvey's final stand-up show at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas ended as this iconic stand-up comedian dived on becoming a dynamic and engaging host. 2010 led him to host the game show Family Feud and the Celebrity Family Feud. He was achieving modern notoriety on YouTube and other OTT platforms. $45 million as an annual salary is what Harvey schemed to earn. Approximately $30 million are cashed on by him via his hosting and radio duties, as read in Celebrity Net Worth. Harvey and his heavy wardrobe of snazzy suits. The Family Feud host is no less than a style icon to many men around the world. There isn't a single suit variation he has repeated for his shows. All custom made by color, an assortment of pants and blazer combinations and embellishments. Big shot names like Berluti and Bottega, YSL, Armani, and Alta Sartoria by Dolce & Gabbana have been asked to make bespoke creations for his undeniable love for suits and collections. Harvey owns around 1,000 suits, all for his love of being a spruced-up man of the show. Author and entrepreneur. Steve Harvey launched Delightful in 2014, which is an online dating website in partnership with the owners of Match.com. Harvey believes in finding love and keeping it longer, putting love front and center, and cashing out around $10 million. The Delightful founder also got involved in other wild and vivid ventures, such as the release of his book titled Act Like a Lady, Think Like a Man, Straight Talk, No Chaser, and Act Like a Success and Jump. Take the leap of faith to achieve your life of abundance in the year 2009. This filled his accounts with $5 million through books and $100 million via his book-turned-movies. Car craze and Harvey's captivating collections. The car fanatic has some super expensive and notable entries, with his ever-growing and envy-inducing car collection. From owning the raving Rolls-Royce Phantom 8 with a starting price of $450,000 to driving a $310,000 Bentley Mulsanne, Harvey has been on an A-game with his car fetish. The 1941 Cadillac convertible owner also has possession of the Ford F-150 truck, costing up to $32,000, which fits 3 posh car seats in the rear bench area, giving the car a wealthy celebrity feel. Entertainment and production company. The American comedy sensation Steve Harvey has a net worth of around $280 million. This super-duper humorous human also caters to his multiple income streams, such as being a television host, actor, writer, producer, and comedian, earning up to $100,000 per episode. Making him the highest-paid all-rounder in the industry, Harvey marked his territory in Hollywood with full power for his cash flow and spending on his luxury pieces. Steve Harvey founded Steve Harvey Global, an entertainment company that shelters his production company East 112 and all his various money-yielding ventures, which add up to his net worth, have increased by 1,200% in the past decade, as revealed in CA Knowledge. Love for watches, watches, and more watches. Steve Harvey as a man has excellent taste. And to complement his suit collections, he dives deeper into owning watches studded with diamonds to match his status. His huge net worth made him go jaw-dropping for a $360,000 Rolex Rainbow Daytona Gold for the supreme looks he creates with his suits, as stated in Celebrity Luxury Lifestyles. Like the 18-karat yellow gold Daytona, many other over-the-watch budget watches, such as Blancpain, which is $400,000, and Vacheron Constantine, $240,000, have been an eye candy for Steve's spending. Steve Harvey has been a trailblazer of various personas, including being a boxer, a mail carrier, a carpet cleaner, and an insurance salesman. But his primary and prolific success as comedian, infamous TV host, emerging author, and business tycoon has finally afforded him the well-earned, luxurious lifestyle of his dreams. Thank you for spending time with us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do let us know about your thoughts. Before going, make sure to like and subscribe so that you never miss another video. Until then, goodbye.